In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a holiday in Zoho People 5.0. If you're aiming to streamline your HR processes and make managing employee leaves as efficient as possible, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and get you all set up. First, you'll want to navigate to the Zoho website. Zoho offers a comprehensive suite of cloud software tools tailored for businesses, and Zoho People is a part of this robust package. Once you're on their homepage, the next step is to sign in. You'll find the Sign In button prominently displayed on the page. Go ahead and click it. Don't worry if any of this sounds daunting. Just take your time, and we'll go through it step by step. After you've signed in, you'll be directed to your Zoho home. This is your dashboard that provides access to all the various functionalities and applications Zoho has to offer. From here, you'll want to navigate specifically to Zoho People. Think of Zoho People as your go-to hub for all things related to your team's HR needs. With it, you can handle everything from attendance tracking to performance appraisals. Once you've located and opened Zoho People, keep an eye out for the plus icon. It's not just a plus sign. It's your gateway to adding new data or making changes. Click on this icon to proceed. This step is crucial because it will lead you to the section where you can begin the process of setting up a holiday. Next, you'll want to focus on the Leave section. Clicking on this will give you access to all the features related to managing employee leaves. Inside the Leave section, you're now just a couple of clicks away from managing your team's time off requests effectively. Now that you're in the appropriate section, look for the Apply Leave option. Clicking on this will allow you to specify the details of the holiday you wish to set up. This could include the dates for the holiday, the groups of employees it will affect, and any other pertinent information necessary for proper documentation and approval. By following these steps, you're on your way to making holiday management a breeze within your organization. Remember, setting up holidays in advance saves you trouble down the road and allows team members to plan their workloads and responsibilities better. That's it for today's guide. By now, you should have a clear understanding of how to navigate through Zoho People and set up a holiday effortlessly. Thank you for tuning in, and don't hesitate to revisit this video for a refresher if needed. Happy managing!